Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now, I am going to teach English Literature, Chapter 8, Book Exercise, Part 2. Now, I am going to teach English Literature, Chapter 8, Book Exercise, Part 2. Okay? All of you take your English Literature book, page number 79. All of you take your English Literature book, page number 79. See, the past tense. See page number 79. The action that has taken place before the time of speaking is used to be in the past tense. See, the simple past tense. See, Archana boiled a little water in the pan. The children played in the park every day during the winter vacation. The underlined words are the simple past tense. Archana boiled, underlined words it is boiled, and the children played. Played and boiled is the simple past tense of this sentence. Okay, see, the underlined words are the simple past tense. Underlined words which one? Boiled and played. It is the simple past tense. Then see, next, past continuous. See, past continuous. See, Mr. Subramanian was climbing a tower yesterday. We were eating porridge when the guests arrived. The underlined words are the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense which one? Was climbing, were eating is the past continuous. Was climbing and were eating is the past continuous. Then see. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given the brackets. First, I wake up at 6 o'clock this morning. Answer is wake. W-A-K-E. Then B, the birds were chirping today. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G. Write down the spelling. Chirping today. Okay? See the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. First, I wake up 6 o'clock this morning. Answer is wake. Then B, the birds were chirping today. C-H-I-R-P-I-N-G. Answer is chirping. C, the tailor stitches my clothes. Bracket it is stitch, but the answer is stitch. Then D, the ship sailed across the sea last month. Answer is sailed. E, Anshul was diving the pool last Wednesday. Then complete the sentence with the correct form of the verb given the box. A, the pigeons flew away. Then B, the boatman was rowing the boat. C, they go to the library at 2 o'clock. Mrs. Bhatte taught us Hindi last year. E, the ants were crawling up the wall last night. See the answers. Write down all of you in the book. Okay, the exercise given the box. See. Okay, shall we move next exercise? See, take page number 81. All of you take English Literature book, page number 81. Let us try to protect our planet Earth by saving energy and water. Look at the pictures given below. Complete the sentences by using the words given the box. The bracket is switch, water, plant, run, leaky, off, use, surroundings, cloth, waste. Do the answer. First one, don't let the water run while brushing your teeth. Answer is run. Then second, plant a tree and water it regularly. Plant. a tree and water it regularly. Then 3, repair the leaky faucet. Okay, leak LEAKEY. Then take next page. Then 4, switch off the light and fans before leaving a room. Switch. Then 5, turn off the television and computer when not in use. Turn off when not in use. Then 6, take a cloth bag with you when we go to the market. Then 7, don't waste food. 8, keep the surroundings clean. See the answer. Keep the surroundings clean. Okay. I repeat same. First one, 4, switch off the lights and fans before leaving the room. Then 5, turn off the television and computer when not in use. Then 6, take a cloth bag with you when we go to the market. Then 7, don't waste food. 8, keep the surroundings clean. Then the last exercise for this lesson. First one, read the clues given the bracket and fill in the correct letters in the blanks. First one, plenty. Bracket it is in large quantity. Then B, it is 2, blind. Bracket it is unable to see. Then 3, drag, to pull something or someone with difficulty. Then 4, crowd, a large number of people. Crowd. Answer is, see the answer. Okay. Okay. All of you do the exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.